Let's say a bit more about emulators. As I've previously mentioned, there was the ARM emulator, which was default in the first versions. This solution, however, was very slow because ARM is a totally different CPU structure than the x86 CPUs which are used by our desktop computers. Because of this, the computer starting such an emulator had to translate each emulator instruction to an x86 CPU instruction. This caused additional overhead, which significantly extended the time of the launching and operation of the application. That is why eventually Intel created its own emulators based on x86 CPUs. Since then, applications could be started directly on the CPU without the need for translation. The moment we use the virtualization, that is, the HAXM mechanism, we get an additional boost because our emulator is running directly on the CPU. In most cases, the x86 emulator is sufficient. However, if we use an emulator on a daily basis, it's good to invest in the Genymotion tool. It's a commercial emulator you have to pay for. Its great advantage is that it supports many devices in a rather faithful way, such as Samsung Galaxy S5, Nexus, or Sony devices. Additionally, the emulator allows the installation of applications from Google Play. This option is not active by default, so an additional package has to be installed. Apart from the fact that Genymotion supports Google Play, it's also slightly faster than the x86. Thanks to this, we can achieve practically the same speed as in the case of native devices. We can emulate many various devices simultaneously.